Hi, my dear students. So, hope you all are good. And could you please tell me what all things we learned till now? And now we are in chapter linear equation in two variable. So, in the previous classes, we discussed many things. So, I want to hear from you. So, who all can give me what all things you studied in the previous classes?
Sir, we learned general form of linear equation.
Also, we learned how to find the solution of a linear equation.
Okay, good. Could you please tell me what is the general form of linear equation? And do you remember how to find the solution of linear equation? And what else we learned? Could you please try to remember it?
Yes, sir. The general form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c equals 0.
Sir, also we learn how to represent linear equation graphically.
So today we are going to discuss a new topic. That's we are going to discuss how to represent a linear equation one variable in a plane. We know how to represent linear equation one variable on a number line. We discussed that in previous classes and previous chapters. So for representing that on number line, what we need? We need a number line like this, marked with the numbers, and on that number we can mark a digit. Okay, so you can see here. But if we want to represent that on a plane, that means if we want to represent a equation of one variable in two variable format, how can we do that? That's what we are going to discuss today. Let us consider an example. X plus 7 is equal to 0. Or let us take a small number, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Our question is x plus 3 is equal to 0. So when we represent x plus 3 is equal to 0, we can simply represent like this. We have to draw a number line, and on the number line at minus 3 we just need to put a dot like this. But if you want to represent it within two variables, we have to rewrite this equation in the general form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. When we rewrite this in the general form of two variable, we got it as x plus 0y plus 3 is equal to 0. Why I write 0y? Because there is not term of y. That means its coefficient 0. 0 into y becomes 0. Clear? Okay. So we can rewrite it as x plus 0y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is on two variable. Now we got a equation on two variables. So I ask you to find the solution of this equation. Okay, so how many solutions for a linear equation two variable?
Infinite number of solutions, sir.
Yes, you are correct. For a linear equation two variable, we have infinite number of solutions. So here we rewrite it in the form x plus 0y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now let's finding its solution by substituting the values. So let's take y is equal to 1. So what we got if y is equal to 1? If y is equal to 1, this equation becomes x plus 0 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 3. Similarly, if we substitute y is equal to 2, then what we got? Yeah, there also we got minus 3. Suppose let us substitute the value y is equal to 0.
We got x equals minus 3, sir.
Yes, you are correct. X is equal to minus 3. Suppose we substitute x is equal to minus 2, then what we got? Yeah, then also we got minus 3. So for any value of y, we got the value of x as minus 3. That is, the value of x is not changing. Now let's plot that on a graph. Yeah, for plotting that on a graph, we have to use a graph paper, and as we discussed earlier, we have to draw the tabular column, we have to plot the points. Now we are plotting the graph. So first we have to draw the x-axis and we have to draw y-axis, and after that we have to mark the coordinates. For that we have to mark the points 1, 2, 3 on x-axis and minus 1, 2, 3 on the negative axis, and to the upper part we have to write positive values of y 1, 2, 3 etc., and we have to mark negative values of y minus 1, minus 2. Yeah, now we done with the axis. Now we have to plot the points as per our tabular column. The points are minus 3, 1, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 0, and minus 3, minus 2. Let's plot these points here. Yeah, once we got the points, let's join all these points. What we got? We got a straight line that is parallel to y-axis. That means if we plot the graph of a linear equation in x only, then we got a line parallel to y-axis. Similarly, if we take a equation having only y, let's take y is equal to 3. So when we plot the graph of this equation, we got a line that is parallel to x-axis. So from the above discussions, we can conclude that if a linear equation has only one variable, if it has only x, then its graph is a line parallel to y-axis. Similarly, if a linear equation has only y, and if we plot the graph of that one, it will be parallel to x-axis. So I got, you all understood the concept. Now I am sharing you 2 questions with you for today's homework. So please solve that and send to my number.